NFTs and the art world. In this video, we'll be exploring the impact of NFTs on the art world. NFTs have already had a major impact on the way that art is created, sold, and collected, and this trend is only likely to continue in the years to come. NFTs are changing the way that art is created by offering a new way for artists to monetize their work. This has opened up new opportunities for artists who may have previously struggled to make a living from their art. NFTs are also changing the way that art is collected by offering a new way for collectors to invest in and display digital art. This has led to a growing market for NFT-based artwork and collectibles. However, there is also controversy surrounding NFTs in the art world. Some critics argue that the emphasis on the monetary value of NFTs is detracting from the true value of art, which should be judged on its aesthetic and cultural significance.